Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. We have a couple upgrades from the Storm Prediction Center with the midday update, but for a large part, everything's remained the same for a large part. So, let's get right to it. The enhanced risk area here remains the same. The slight risk remains the same largely, and the marginal risk remains the same for today. The Storm Prediction Center, however, has added an extra enhanced risk area today. This extra enhanced risk area today encompasses east central Arkansas, far southwestern Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and northwestern Alabama. But again, everything else has remained largely the same. Going to the tornado threat for today, the 5% tornado risk over here remains the same, as does the 2% tornado risk area. The Storm Prediction Center, however, has added an extra 5% tornado risk area today, encompassing east central Arkansas, extreme southwest Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and northwestern Alabama. Okay, but again, the other 5% remains the same, and the 2% has remained the same. However, the Storm Prediction Center has added an extra 2% tornado risk area today, encompassing central Colorado. It's a very small 2% tornado risk. So, in central Colorado. But again, everything else has remained the same for a large part. So, going to the wind threat for today, the wind threat largely remains the same. The black dashed area remains the same. The 30% tornado risk area over here remains the same. The 15% wind risk remains the same, largely, and the 5% wind risk remains the same. However, the Storm Prediction Center has added another 30% wind risk area today, encompassing east central Arkansas, southwest Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and northwestern Alabama. But again, everything else with regards to the wind has remained the same. And going to the hail threat also remains the same. So, with the hail threat, the black dashed area pretty much remains the same. The 30% hail risk remains the same. The 15% hail risk remains the same. And the 5% hail risk remains the same. So, everything else remains the same. So, anyway, those are the upgrades I had to address, so they're not ignored. And I'm going to go over the summary again. Severe thunderstorms, including the risk for very large hail, swaths of severe winds with isolated 75+ mile-per-hour gusts, and a few tornadoes are expected across parts of the southern plains this afternoon and evening, including northwest Texas and southern and central Oklahoma. Scattered severe thunderstorms with large hail and damaging winds will also be of concern across the Mid-South, Tennessee Valley, and other parts of the Southeast. So, those are the changes, again, I had to address with the upgrades and risks for some areas. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and as soon as the Day 2 Outlook is updated by the SPC, my Day 2 Outlook will come out. Take care.